Hey friends, welcome back to OsoFarm. It is a brisk Sunday afternoon. We are 4 days before Thanksgiving, and it is time for us to harvest our turkeys.
Jeez, this thing is heavy. Can you open the gate?
Watch out, Luna. So we want its head facing out. So you're going to want to, yeah, flip it. That's right. That's the right way. Man, that bird is big. So you gotta stick your hand in there, kind of pull its head out. His poor feet.
Shrinking its head.
Yeah, he's retreating. Good job. Good job. He's turned the wrong. There you go. So you want to do this? Okay. Here, I'll hold its feet. So what you want to do is that slice right below that turkey, and then you want to go deep and slice it. Yeah, so like right there. Watch your hands. You're such a sweetheart. Sweetheart saying hello. Good job, son.
Nice.
Okay, we've let that bird sit for about 5 minutes. He should be drained out, ready to go. Isaiah is going to pick him up, and we're going to carry him over to our boiling pot of water. Let's go, Isaiah. That bird is heavy. Okay, we've got this water at about 70 degrees Celsius. We're going to drop him in here and help loosen these feathers. Stir it up a little bit. Set him in there for, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. Kind of shake it up, get all these feathers wet until they loosen up and are easy to pluck. And he doesn't even fit in this pot. This is a 60-quart pot. And this bird is almost filling it. So what you want to do is these feathers right here, you just kind of, once these are easy to pull, then we know it's time to come out. All right, these are pulling out easy. Let's go ahead and pull him out. Lay him on the table. All right, good job. So what you want to do is put on some of these gloves. This is bird number 2 for today. We've got bird number 1 already sitting here on some ice. And now that she's all these just pull out nice and easy. With these gloves, they just, yeah. A little tedious. We don't have any tools, but we're doing this old school. We'll come back in about 5 minutes and see how many feathers we got left. Okay, we're back about 5 minutes later, and we've got the bottom half pretty much defeathered. Top half is almost halfway there. He's working on the big tail feathers right now. They are...
Look how deep those went in.
Those are deep.
See? It's like an inch.
Yeah. So, not too difficult to do, just a little bit tedious. We're almost there. We'll check back when we are totally defeathered. All right, we have, it's been about 20 minutes. We've moved our station just to get some more, just to get closer to our hose and clean up our space. So Isaiah is cleaning up. We finished up. We got one turkey over there on ice, and we got our other turkey right here. We haven't weighed him yet, but this guy is a big bird. Gonna make a great Thanksgiving meal. So you're gonna go legs down.
Wait.
Does it even fit in the bucket? Legs in. My goodness.
That thing is huge.
Tomorrow we're going to put this turkey on some brine and let it soak for about 24 hours. And then the following day, let's see, that'll be Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday we'll probably put it in the smoker. I'm sorry, we'll put it in the smoker on Wednesday. And then turkey on Thursday. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe below, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.